Good morning, everyone. I am Rosabella Manner and I am from NEHU Shillong. I'm very glad that you have invited us to this meeting. Uh, Basically, I will only deal with three suggestions from my side, and I will mainly concentrate on the Northeast part since I am representing from the Northeast states, and I can only tell problems regarding this and to see and also to be practically aware about the Northeast problems. So my first point is that basically, especially in the states of Meghalaya, most of the district or most of the areas belong to the rural background. So every citizen is entitled to his or her right, and most importantly, the right to approach the court of law. As we all know, ignorance of law is never an excuse. So here, people from the rural areas, especially when they went to the court of justice or the court of law, they wanted if a crime happens or occur, basically they are afraid to approach the law since they have ignorance of law. And in order to improve this or in order to combat this problem, I would suggest different awareness programs and teaching, especially to those people or to those rural areas who are really in need of it, and also for the justice to be delivered to them. And I have seen like this suggestion is one of the most important in order to so that people can see justice or can know the law in a different perspective. I think mostly the awareness program are being held in our state, but probably the judiciary or probably the legal system just do it only for the purpose of publishing or only to get highlight to the news, but then actually they are not working or not even providing better awareness programs. So in the future, we really like to see like more awareness program that through that awareness program, people can be access or they can have knowledge about different laws, and also so that they'll be very fluent and in order for them to get justice. And my second point is that it will talk about the dispute and the conflict, the resolution mostly in the Northeast India, which is a geopolitical region having a very legal pluralism, which apart from the adversarial court system, also comprises several non-adversarial justice delivery systems, such as the customary law, Lok Adalat, and the village panchayat, in which justice is arrived in summary without too much emphasis on the legal technicians. Thus, effort should be made on how the legal system can work better for the indigenous people and how we can recognize customary law in work better than the indigenous people, and the manner that is non-discriminatory and also guaranteeing the individual human rights with our indigenous communities, particularly for the women and children. And my last point is that lawyers, or whether they are in a legal field or they are still students, they need to promote access on how to access justice, because access to justice is the way in which it can be very effective in legal system revolve. There is a real risk of the Indian citizenship losing faith in the legal system and the legal institution if it is unable to get justice within a reasonable time frame and at a reasonable expenses. A number of people who are aggravated are not available to seek justice because of the prohibitory costs of litigation and the delay that comes along with them. Establishing additional benches of the High Court will help in reducing costs of litigation. It will help in doing this by making available to citizens in a wider range of new lawyers. That's all from our side. Thank you.